Good morning on a Monday, Christmas week. Hey, here's what's going on. Behind me, I think you can see over my shoulder, that is snow on the ground at Cathedral Ridge Winery out in Hood River. Judging by the bench and the table there, it looks like maybe 3 inches on the ground, and that would match at those lower elevations of the Hood River Valley what the National Weather Service has been putting out. You get more like 8, 9, 10 inches, I believe, once you jump up in elevation, get up into Parkdale. That winter storm warning for the gorge right now up until noon. And the Weather Service may let it expire at that point because the heaviest precip rates this morning will be this morning, and then it's going to be lighter precip rates once we get into the afternoon. NWS has extended the winter storm warning for the Cascades until 4 o'clock today. That makes sense. They're just piling up snow. So get this, Timberline and Meadows have both picked up basically 20 inches of snow over the past 24 hours, and they now report bases of better than 60 inches. Wasn't that long ago, they had a big fat nothing up there. So that's really been impressive, right? Here in the valley, I know we've had some high water concerns going back to the weekend. With the rain that we're getting today, PDX in Portland will have probably just over 3 inches of total rainfall since this started going back to Saturday afternoon. Now the good news is this is the final day of this. Heavy rain at times this morning, lighter rain, but still mainly steady this afternoon. And then finally ending this evening as we break it up and go into a forecast calling for just a few scattered showers overnight and just a few scattered showers around on Tuesday. Tomorrow really looks to be pretty dry, so that's going to be a nice break. And then the next cold front comes in on Wednesday. That's another push of rain, maybe a half of an inch or so. With snow levels anywhere from 3,000 to 4,000 feet Wednesday up over the mountains. And then Thursday, Friday look to be just kind of active days with the shoots of moisture coming at us. So kind of numerous showers or occasional rain. Snow levels do look to be lower both of those days. We could get back down to 2,000, 1,500 feet. And then comes Christmas Day. Ho, ho, ho. So I've been tracking this and talking about this for several weeks now, that we have this push of cold Canadian air coming straight from the northern Canada, finally arriving. At one point, it looked like that was coming in this Thursday. The latest timing still looks like we start getting into that colder Canadian air mass on Christmas Day. So here's the deal. I think all precipitation, even at the lowest elevations, including downtown Portland, could switch to snow Friday overnight, which means you'd wake up to some snow on the ground Christmas morning. This doesn't look to be a huge storm, but the air still looks cold enough that whatever falls Christmas Day would be snow. And if there's enough moisture, maybe we stack up, 1, 2, 3, 4 inches of snow even at the lowest elevations. I have temperatures right now, Christmas Day, 30 to 35 in that range, okay? So if it's 34, 35, that means the roads would be wet, we'd be stacking up snow on the grass. We'll see how that goes. Colder air on Sunday, a day that with the models coming out this morning looks more like pretty dry weather, maybe some flurries. But the biggest story, just the cold. Lows in the 20s, daytime highs only around 32 degrees, which means whatever would fall Christmas Day would still be there. And then at one point, in fact, for the last several days, the European model, which I rely on heavily, have for many years, was putting a low center across the southern central Oregon coast. That would have put Portland right in the snow bullseye for a potential snow storm. That's a week from this Monday. But back off, hold on. The latest models don't show that low, but they do show a push of warmer weather trying to come in Monday with cold air in place, east winds chasing it, and that could be still, a week from today, next Monday, a significant snow event of some magnitude all the way down to the valley floor. So once this cold Canadian air comes in over Christmas weekend, there's going to be lots to watch, at least for a 3 to 4 day stretch, maybe longer, going into next week, okay? So that's what I've got. Realize I look at several models, realize even the individual models fluctuate from day to day. But I think the cold air is coming. So we'll see what we end up with, and I'll talk to you soon.